Peggy 18.
Hi guys, and welcome to episode 2 of Come Play With Us. This week we want to see how much heat you can attract. The biggest gunfights in Chicago will take home the prizes. Here's what we need you to do. Start your gunfight in one of Chicago's many crossroads. Do not run from the fight. Survive as long as you can, and be as stylish and explosive as possible throughout. To enter this challenge, all you have to do is share your video on YouTube and post the link in the comments of this Come Play With Us video. Alternatively, you can submit your video on Twitter using the hashtag WDPlayWithUs. Crazy videos are king. Be sure to check back regularly for brand new challenges and prizes.